Hi everyone, welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Hi, Lucy. Do you know where all my clean shirts went?
I do not think they went anywhere. How full is your laundry basket?
Very full. Actually, it is becoming a small mountain.
Then today sounds like laundry day.
Yes, I need to do the laundry, but I always wait too long.
That sentence is useful. Laundry means the clothes you need to wash or the job of washing them.
So I can say I need to do the laundry.
Exactly. What do you need first?
I need clean clothes. I have no shirt for tomorrow.
A more natural sentence is this. I am out of clean shirts.
I am out of clean shirts. That means I have no clean shirts left, right?
Right? You can be out of clean socks, clean towels, or even coffee.
Being out of coffee sounds more serious.
One problem at a time, Benji. Bring your laundry basket to the washing machine.
All right. Should I put everything in together?
Check the colors first. Put the white clothes in one group and the dark clothes in another.
Oh, my red sock is hiding with the white shirts.
Good catch. That sock could make your white shirts pink.
Pink shirts are not part of my plan today.
Then take the red sock out. Now put the dark clothes in the machine.
The machine looks very full.
Do not push in too many clothes. They need space to move and get clean.
I will take out 2 towels. Is that better?
Much better. Now add the laundry detergent.
Detergent is the soap for washing clothes.
Exactly. You only need a small amount.
I almost used half the bottle.
I am glad I arrived in time.
Me too. The machine is ready now.
Choose the normal setting and press start.
It says 40 minutes. What can I say while I wait?
You can explain what is happening. My clothes are in the washing machine.
My clothes are in the washing machine, nice and clear.
Exactly. And after the machine finishes, what will you do?
I will put everything in the dryer.
That works for many clothes, but check the labels first.
This sweater says do not use a dryer.
Then hang it up to dry.
Hang it up means put it on a hanger or a line, right?
Right. The air will dry it slowly.
I can hang the sweater by the window.
Good plan. Oh, the washing machine just stopped.
That was a very fast 40 minutes.
Time moves quickly when someone else is teaching you English.
Let me open it. Everything smells clean.
Move the towels and shirts to the dryer. Hang the sweater by the window.
Done. Now I can finally wear my favorite shirt.
Not yet. It is still wet.
Ah, right. How do I say that clearly?
My shirt is still wet.
My shirt is still wet. I need to wait for it to dry.
Perfect. Still means the situation has not changed yet.
So after 10 minutes, my shirt may still be wet.
Yes. And after the dryer finishes, it should be dry.
Then I need to fold the clothes.
Fold means make the clothes smaller and neat before you put them away.
I am not very good at folding shirts.
They do not need to look perfect. Just make them neat enough for the drawer.
No pressure, no perfection, even for laundry.
Exactly. Now listen to the useful sentences. You do not need to repeat yet. I need to do the laundry. I am out of clean shirts. My clothes are in the washing machine. My shirt is still wet. Now let us practice out loud. Benji, lead the practice. Everyone listening, say each line with him during the pause.
I need to do the laundry. I am out of clean shirts. My clothes are in the washing machine. My shirt is still wet.
Nice! Now hear the situation again at a natural speed. Benji, why is your laundry basket so full?
I waited too long, and now I am out of clean shirts.
Then you need to do the laundry today.
My clothes are in the washing machine now.
Great! Remember to hang up your sweater.
I will. My favorite shirt is still wet, so I need to wait.
Soon you will have clean clothes again.
And a much smaller laundry mountain.
Today we turned one full basket into a simple English conversation. You described the problem, washed the clothes, and explained why you still had to wait.
And I saved my white shirts from one dangerous red sock.
That may be your biggest success today. Before we go, here is a question for everyone listening. What day do you usually do the laundry?
Tell us in the comments. I usually do mine when the basket becomes a mountain.
We would love to read your answer and cheer for you.
Bye, everyone. Check your pockets before you wash your clothes.
Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.